What if I told you it's a little known credit union where you don't have to be a politician or work for the federal government just to access this credit union? And it's actually possible that this hidden credit union is easier to join and gives out higher limits than Navy Federal.
Okay, so wait. So you're telling me to get into this credit union, I don't have to be part of the government and I don't even need to be in the military?
Yes, actually, I'm telling you, this is possible, guys. You don't need to be a politician,
Wow.
Gloria. You don't need to be a senator. In fact, getting into the United States Senate Federal Credit Union might actually be easier than getting in the Navy Federal, because all you got to do is join this nonprofit we're going to tell you about.
Wow, you mean easier than Navy Federal? Money Magnets, did you hear about that? Everyone is crying because they can't get into Navy Federal
Right.
and get that access code. Meanwhile, there is a sleeping giant right under your nose giving out $50,000 in credit card limits.
Look, and not just credit cards. We're talking about $70,000 personal loans,
Wow.
$150,000 vehicle loans, and yes, for all you credit nerds out there, they pull Experian.
Okay, but hold up, because we're spilling all the tea today. If you want high limits and you're tired of getting those rejection letters, you need to watch this entire video,
Right.
because we're breaking down exactly how to join and what to say and how to get that back.
Hey, let's go, guys.
Let's go. We teach business owners and entrepreneurs how to raise capital, build business credit,
Yeah.
and create the lifestyle that you deserve.
That's right. We've helped thousands of people just like you get funded. Now, before we dive into the Senate secret, do us a favor, guys. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We're dropping gems that banks charge thousands of dollars for, and you're getting it for free right here.
And we're talking about free money magnets. So hit that button right now if you're ready to get funded in 2025 or 2026. Marvin, let's get into it. Everyone thinks the U.S. Senate Credit Union means exclusive club.
Right.
Why is this better than Navy Federal right now?
All right, let's be real. Navy Federal is the GOAT. I'm just going to put it out there.
I agree.
And we love Navy Fed, but they've tightened up a lot lately. And if you don't have a grandfather, roommate, or a sibling in the military, it's kind of hard to join.
Okay, Marvin, but it's impossible for some people. You know what? People are actually out here buying access codes on the dark web. Don't do that, money magnets. We go help you get to the bag another way.
Exactly. Don't do that. Here's the back door for the U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union. Most people see the name and they automatically run away. But if you look closely at their eligibility,
Yes.
there is a special path where you can join.
Okay, Marvin, are you ready to tell them the secret?
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
It's called the American Consumer Council, and they also have a Virginia chapter as well. And if you look in the description below, I'm going to leave you guys a promo code where you can join for free.
So, money magnets, let me recap that. Marvin just told you the American Consumer Council. So write it down.
Yes. And just like some of the other credit unions, if you join the ACC, which is a nonprofit dedicated to consumer education, you automatically become eligible to join the U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union and a bunch of other credit unions.
Okay, so let's get this straight. I go to the ACC website.
Yeah.
I join them. Sometimes there's a small fee, but
Right.
Marvin has a code for you, so no worries. Sometimes you can use a promo code to join for free, and Marvin has that for you.
Yeah.
Boom, there it is. I'm eligible for the Senate Credit Union.
Now you have your way in. You select
Yes.
ACC on your application as your eligibility requirement. No stolen valor, no fake grandfathers. It's a legit way to join, and it's easy.
Okay, so now that you're in, okay, now let's talk about this money magnets, because I need to know, are they stingy or are they generous with their limits?
Okay, from our research, Gloria, they're very generous. Let's
Okay.
talk about the credit cards. They have products that rival the flagship at Navy Federal. We're seeing approvals at about $50,000 limits, but you gotta have excellent credit to get that.
Okay, $50,000 money magnet on one card.
On one card, and here's the best part for my credit nerds out there. When you
Okay.
apply for the personal products, remember they primarily pull Experian, because I see a lot of y'all in the comments, y'all didn't say it. So I said it twice in this video.
Yes, Marvin. I see a lot of our money magnets getting their TransUnion beat up because of Navy Federal inquiries.
Yeah.
Your Equifax might be a little messy as well, but Experian, if you have your Experian profile clean, this is your play.
Correct. And they're a relationship-based credit union, guys.
Okay.
So once you get that membership, put some money in the savings, set up a direct deposit if you can, and then only go for the card if you got a 700 or better. If not, wait about 91 days and look at that checking account bonus they got if you use your debit card and you set up a direct deposit. They can this video can actually make you some money.
Okay, Marvin, we talk about relationship.
Yeah.
But okay, credit cards are great for points and travel, Marvin, but if you need cash, what if you need to renovate an investment property or you need funds, to do some marketing campaign?
This is where the U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union shines. They offer a personal loan up to $70,000.
Oh my gosh. $70,000 liquid cash? No collateral?
That's right, Gloria. Unsecured, no
Wow.
collateral, just your signature and your credit profile. Imagine what you could do with $70,000 cash deposited into your checking account within 48 hours. That's better than some of the other loans I've heard about.
Marvin, this is actually a cash flow changer.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more, right? Because if you love lines of credit, check this out.
All right, I do. A loan gives you all the money at once. You know what I love about personal lines of credit? It lets you draw from it when you need it. And U.S. Senate Federal Credit Unions offers personal lines of credit up to $50,000, guys.
Okay, Marvin, I like what you're talking about because that's like a safety net.
Yeah, exactly. It sits there. You don't pay interest until you actually use it. It's perfect for overdraft protection or emergency business expenses while you're waiting on a client to pay you, because that happens in business all the time.
Okay, Marvin, so what you're saying is we got the cards,
Right.
we got the cash. Now I want to drive something nice. Y'all know how I feel about the new car game, okay? Navy Federal is famous for auto loans. Can the Senate beat them, Marv?
They definitely can compete. Look, they offer loans on automobiles up to $150,000.
$150,000. Hey, y'all, that's my G-Wagon. That's a luxury sprinter for your business.
Yeah, it could be. You know what? And they offer 100% financing. So if you're looking to get a vehicle
Wow.
for Turu or your transport business, or just you want to ride in style, they have the capacity to actually fund it, guys.
That's what I'm talking about. But what about homes, Marvin?
Yeah, they got a full suite. They got mortgages, they got HELOCs, home improvement loans.
Nice.
If you already own a home and you have equity, they're very aggressive with their rates and they want to lend money right now, guys. So if you're ready for 2026, I will put this credit union right up there with Navy Federal.
Okay, Money Magnets, this is the part you've been waiting for.
Yeah.
We are business owners. We don't just want personal debt.
Yeah.
We want business credit. Marvin, does this credit union help us build the business profile that Money Magnets may be looking for?
Look, they actually do. Once you have the personal membership established, you can open up a business checking account.
Okay.
And yes, they have business credit cards and business vehicle loans.
Okay, but do they report to the business bureaus as well?
Well, generally, credit unions are mixed on this. But here's the strategy. You use the personal side. Hopefully, you get a $50,000 card or somewhere up there. And then you get that $70,000 loan
Yes.
to fund the business initially. You take that cash, you invest it, and guess what? Generate some revenue, guys.
Right. Use the personal credit to jumpstart the business credit. That's a smart move.
Exactly. But you have to have a strategy. You can't just go applying for everything willy-nilly out there, guys. You need to know the data points. You need to know how to structure your LLC so you look fundable before you walk into a branch. And
Yes.
make sure you check out our other videos.
Okay, and that is exactly what we do, Marvin. Listening, hearing about $50,000 is one thing.
Right.
Actually getting approved for it is another.
And if you're sitting there thinking, Marvin, Glory, look, all of this sounds great, but my credit is a mess, or I don't know how to set up my business properly to get these limits.
We got you, Money Magnets. We have a free business strategy call. We will look at your situation
Yeah.
and show you exactly what you need to fix to get these approvals.
And look, guys, the link is right down there in the description. All you got to do is book a free Zoom call. Look, don't guess. Don't waste a bunch of inquiries trying to figure it out. get a plan, and get this free business strategy call.
Okay, what you want to do is you want to click that link and you want to book the call. And guess who you're going to get? Marvin and Gloria.
And remember, for the best results, guys, you need a 700 credit score on Experian. Remember to please remove your freezes and your fraud alerts, because that could either cause delays or denials.
But hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you want to see another credit union that is giving out crazy limits right now that no one is talking about, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.